Are you a rising star in network engineering, hungry to learn more, but worried that you're simply not getting exposed to the latest technologies and trends? Well, listen to this. Hi, this is Carl Lucas at the Trevi Group, and I head up the recruiting team for network engineers, solution architects, and leaders in networking, data center, and cloud industries. And one of our premier clients has a phenomenal opportunity. They're one of the top award-winning companies in the SDN and network automation space. It's a very cool company that's getting all the industry buzz and awards for innovation. And what they're looking for is a senior network engineer in the Sacramento area to work with large clients as a hands-on network engineer designing and implementing complex networks and working with the product development team. It's a full-time position and a great role for someone that wants to be on the leading edge of what's happening in the networking industry. We're talking lots of career growth, lucrative compensation, low travel. It's a great opportunity to join this highly sought after team and take your career to the next level. So if you or somebody you know has this type of background or you'd like more information, please send your resume or that referral to carl@thetrevigroup.com, and I appreciate your consideration. And don't forget to click here to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.